Go. Hey, Tom Sweeney here, and today I'm going to show you how to caulk a countertop. This one's in a bathroom. It's got a granite backsplash, and we had a situation here where when they installed it and caulked it, the caulk kind of shrunk in. I've caulked this side already, but you can see on this side how there's a valley in here. This is pretty deep, and we want to caulk that and try to get the caulk to not sink back in like that kind of a valley. So what I did is I put some tape on the backsplash, and what I'm going to do here is I am going to fill this groove here with some caulk, and I'm going to put it on a little heavy. Now this tape is here so I don't spill over. I'll leave a clean edge when I pull this tape off. So I have a wet rag, and I have a 1-inch putty knife, and I'm going to go over this caulk. I'm not going to do it on the flat surface. I'm going to press it onto the wall. And I'm doing that because if I press it down, we're going to have caulk that's going to be oozing up right over the edge of the knife onto the wall. I'm going to try to keep that from happening. I'm going to try to press it tight to the wall. Okay. I might not have enough caulk in there. Pressing against the wall. Okay, I'm going to give her a little more because it looks like I'm a little shy. There we go. You know, if it doesn't come out perfect the first time, we can let this dry and come back and hit those spots that didn't fill in well. If you get it pretty good, just let it go and come back for a second effort on it. Because the more you go at it, the bigger mess you might make. I think this one came out pretty good except for this spot. I'm gonna leave that, let it dry, come back again. This area over here came out pretty smooth, and just a little crumbling in the corner. I might take a razor blade after it dries and clean that up. On this edge, it's pretty tight. So I'm not gonna tape it. I'm just gonna use the caulk gun, do a light, small bead. Do not use silicone caulk. Just because it's near water doesn't mean you have to use silicone. Silicone is not paintable. So this edge gets painted. You might want to wet your finger and go over this edge. Pushing that into the little groove here. I think that looks pretty good, pretty clean. We're going to let that dry up. We can tape to this edge, paint the caulk when we're done. Here, let's pull this off. You want to pull the tape off when this heavy caulk is still wet. So we've got a really clean edge right there. And that's going to dry really flat. So this is going to look great when it's done. I'm going to come back, hit that again. I'm going to caulk this in, and we're going to be ready to paint. So that's the quick lesson on caulking a backsplash. I have other videos out there on caulking trim and baseboards. So go watch all the videos, like them, friend them, get me on your list. I'd like to keep making these to help you do your paint jobs quicker, easier, and with better results. So good luck.